In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Edge tabs across devices. If you use Edge on a laptop, desktop, and phone, syncing your open tabs makes it easy to pick up where you left off, no matter which device you switch to. Let's walk through the setup and make sure everything is working smoothly. First, open Microsoft Edge and look at the top right corner for the profile icon. Click it and sign in with the same Microsoft account on every device you want to sync. This part is crucial. Sync only works when all your devices are signed in to the exact same account. If you are using a work or school account, make sure your organization allows syncing. Once you are signed in on each device, you are ready to turn on the right sync option. Next, go to Settings, choose Profiles, and then select Sync. Here, you'll see a list of items you can sync. Find Open Tabs and make sure it's enabled. If sync is paused or off, turn it on, then confirm that Open Tabs specifically is toggled on. It helps to leave Edge open for a few moments so it can upload your current tabs and update across your devices. A stable internet connection and the latest version of Edge can speed this up. Now, check your phone or tablet. Open the Edge mobile app, go to Settings, tap your account name, then choose Sync. Toggle on Open Tabs. Again, verify you are signed in with the same Microsoft account as on your computer. Keeping your mobile app up to date and allowing background activity can help tabs appear more reliably. When everything is set, accessing your synced tabs is simple. On your computer, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Choose History, and then select Tabs from other devices. You'll see your other machines listed with the tabs that are open on each one. Click any tab to open it instantly. If you recently turned on sync, give it a minute or two for the list to populate. If you don't see your tabs right away, here are a few quick checks. Confirm the same account is signed in everywhere. Make sure Open Tabs is enabled on each device, and verify that you are not in a private browsing session, since in-private tabs don't sync. Restarting Edge or briefly toggling sync off and back on can also nudge things along. And that's it. With your tabs synced, moving between devices becomes seamless. Thanks for watching.